7, 8, 9, 10 sodas. And that we've got our snack trays, which we have 1 and 2. You've got here the inserts to be able to customize the trays. So you can change the height of it to be bigger, smaller. You can increase the amount of space between each one of them. Storage for your extra sodas, your extra chips, extra components. This is the reinforced locking. There is your power supply.